So good morning, my friends. It is the day of the days. The 10k challenge, 10k calorie challenge is in. So it's now 7 o'clock and we're getting ready to eat. So now heading to Basel, where I'm meeting Tony and Ramon, and then we're going into a bakery to start the day. So I'll catch you for that. You saw the weight which we're starting with today. Saved some calories yesterday, so like half kg lighter today, but I think tomorrow is a whole different story. So enjoy the video. So we just ate our first meal, which was 73 fat, I think, and sorry for the lighting. 73 fat, 190 carbs, 25 protein. So now we're off to train, and I'll catch you for the session.
Willkommen zu Hause. Das Italio RTL Weihnachtsmann.
Save the cows. Oh dear, that wasn't a good idea. How many Kcals?
Like, probably that was about 2.5.
2.5.
2.5, I think.
Safe. So we're at 4, maybe?
Probably 4.
And it's
Too many fat, you know? There's like a fat overload.
and it's 2 p.m. and that's not good. That's not good.
It's actually pretty disgusting to do that, you know?
We just had 70 grams fat of pre-workout, so that was the baddest idea in my life. I thought I need to throw up every minute. But anyway, we're going to enjoy it as good as possible.
Cool.
Majority of the time. Some healthy stuff now.
We need some protein now, you know?
Yep. So we're at 11,000 calories together. So the 20k is not going to happen.
There's no chance.
Oh my god. Wrapping up the day with a McFlurry. I think we're
pretty much done.
Yep. And I think we have like 13,000
Together?
together.
You know?
So that's not good. But
try to decide not to overeat now because it's just not worth it. Just not worth it.
Worth it. So I'm going to feel like shit anyway tomorrow. So.
Yeah. I mean, call us pussies.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Just do a 20k challenge and tag us and tell us if it was worth it. I think it's not.
It's not.
So going to have a few shits tomorrow and then we're all fine. Guys, this day was absolutely insane. As we didn't make the challenge, unfortunately, but just the connections and yeah, the talks we had and everything was so cool, so cool. And as you can see, I have some new, real fancy blue light blockers, so that's cool again, as well. And to save a little more protein, I will hit a shake. And we just decided that we don't going to overeat, as I said in my last clip, or in our last clip, but it was cool anyway. And I will put the macros on here or here. And yeah, we didn't make it. Tony ate a little more than me, so he definitely out-angled me there. And yeah, it was just great day, great training session as well. As you can see, 5,900 calories. I saved 1,000 yesterday, so we're at 4,900. That's only 1,000 calories more than I'm used to, so that's probably easy. And I'm going to save some calories tomorrow as well, because I'm just won't be in the mood to eat that much. But I will get some greens and some fruits in, because I ate maybe 1 leaf of lettuce today in the burger. So yeah, that wasn't great in a micro perspective. But anyway. So, good morning guys. It's the next day, as you can see. Just going for a little morning walk. And I have no fucking clue what the hell my body is doing, but I weighed 100 grams less than yesterday. I have no fucking idea where that energy went. No idea. I think I can't explain that. So that wasn't expected. I expected to be a half to 1 kg heavier today. But anyway, it would be a rest day today, so basically it would have been a rest day yesterday already. But I'm putting these Kcals to good use and going to train today. I have a push session coming on, so hopefully getting a good pump and some good strength, some good progressions, and then I'm happy. Then I'm really happy. And I'm not even disappointed that we didn't make the challenge, because we just said we don't want to force feed and feel like absolute dog shit. We ate until we were at the stage where we need to say, alright, I don't want to eat anymore. But we didn't take it too far. So maybe with 10Ks I would have been heavier, but 6Ks just weren't enough. So yeah. Anyway, I will wrap up the video here. Hope you enjoyed the challenge, the session, and I see you in the next vid. Please like, subscribe, share it on your stories on Instagram, tag me, we'll put my Instagram on here, and give these two guys a follow as well. We'll get their Instagram profiles also like here, and yeah, just see you in a bit.